Recruit ships. Staggered line. Shipmaster. They outnumber us 3 to 1.
Then it is an even fight.
All cruisers fire at will. Burn their mongrel hides.
Truce ship isn't taking part in the attack. He must have gone to ground.
Roger that, ma'am. We're on him. Kick the door.
She's a little crook, Sergeant Major. But she'll hold.
All right, pop the hatch.
That's some...
Enjoy it while you can, Marines. As soon as we land, we're right back to it. Priority 1. Secure a landing zone for the commander's frigate. Keep your eyes and ears open. We need all the intel we can get. Wherever the hell we are. Stand to, Marines.
Hoorah!
Go, go, go!
Check it out, in the sky. Is that...
Hey, focus. We got a job to do.
Chief, eyes on. Got a good angle.
Good place.
Grenade out! Let's clean him up! I lost him!
Flares away!
Yeah, there it is.
We got more enemy contacts ahead. Move out.
They're setting up an AA battery. That thing will tear the Dawn apart. Waiting for you to take the shot.
Keep up the pressure.
Die! Die! Die!
situation! I found it! Right there! Hurry! Hey, well, I made it.
I had him. He's in cover. I sense a trap. Here he is.
Chief, I'm giving the brutes all I've got. But this is a heavyweight fight. Dawn's only got the tonnage to last a few rounds. Find me a place to set her down. Over.
Look at me! I'm a killing machine!
Commander's counting on us to secure her LZ.
Thrusters are gone. Get control it.
Flak got our Pelican too, sir. But before we went down, we spotted a good LZ. If we can get to our vehicles, we'll lead you to it.
Broadside. What fools.
He's in hiding.
Help me look for him.
Ready?
Get out of there.
Perfect! Hit the dirt. I found the monster.
It's in cover.
Affirmative, I see it.
No, I will handle those myself.
Sheriff's on my 6.
I sense a trap. Wait.
Mount up! I got the wheel.
Let's go for a ride.
Hold on!
Let's roll.
Shotgun!
You got it! Chop it down! Close down!
Tango down!
Ouch!
He's there!
Fire pods 1 through 12. Archers win.
Turret is online!
It's down! Chop it down! Cover yourselves!
I'm gonna kill you!
Hostile down!
More contacts! I'll drive. Buckle your seatbelt.
I was tired of driving anyway. I am... Let's go!
Watch it! Sir, he's one. Careful, sir! Brutes must have tripped the defensive system.
Ouch! I'm hurt!
tank shut off. But we spotted a structure on the other side of this wall. It matches Cortana's description of the map room on the first Halo ray.
A cartographer. Good. Should help us fix Truth's location. Secure the LZ, then we'll push through that wall.
Roger that. Follow my Pelican, Chief. LZ's this way.
Hope they never decide to clean us up.
LZ's through the cave, sir! Watch yourself! Got Covenant heavy armor! Look out!
Wraith is dropping bombs on us!
Move!
Demon, you're...
Commander, bring her down.
Roger that. Beginning my descent. Thanks, Chief. Wouldn't have lasted much longer up there. Come to the back of the frigate. Did the elites get a fix on the cartographer?
Yes, ma'am. Just on the other side of that wall. But it's surrounded by brute heavy armor.
Don't worry, I've got a plan. If we can't fly over the wall, we'll go right through it. Chief, take one of the tanks. Lead the way. If you find any locked doors, Spark will be happy to pry them open.
I will certainly try my best. Do I am ready for this facility?
All right, then. You heard the lady.
Shall I help you choose a vehicle, Ripley? This one seems in very good condition.
Mount up. Let's roll. Hoorah! Booyah!
beg your pardon. I am 343 Guilty Spark, monitor of Installation 0.
Yeah, well, you're also our ticket through this wall. So if you don't mind...
I will gladly aid the Reclaimer's progress. For a doorway to abide such robust security protocols, one moment, Cleaner. Here we are. Please follow me. Is there some sort of test? Here, this panel will activate a bridge. Exit this way. Sudden clarity. These sentinels were trying to deny access to the lower levels of this facility. A wise decision, given the Meddler's preference for destructive acquisition.
Good work, Chief. Link up with our armor on the far side of the wall. Make your way down to the cartographer.
Heads up, Marines. You got trouble.
Hostile armor!
Hurry to the cartographer.
scare him.
Find that power core, Chief.
Shelter from Halo's fire, in the hope that more of our covenant will follow. Alas, save for a rabble of human allies, we are all playing. We must temper joy. In our hearts,
Back plating looks vulnerable. Light it up! Hit it in the knees, Chief. Take out its legs. Climb aboard. Take out its legs! Climb on board! Hit it in the knees, Chief! Till the backplating looks vulnerable, light that sucker up!
Scarab's back! This time it means business!
Chief.
I opened the portal to this place, this shelter from Halo's fire, in the hopes that more of our covenant would follow. Alas, save for a rabble of heretics and demon allies, we are all that made the touch. Thus, we must temper joy.
Hit it in the knees, Chief.
Not bad, Spartan. I saw that explosion from orbit. Truth's fleet lies in ruin. Find where the liar hides, so I may place my boot between his gums.
We'll know soon enough, Shipmaster.
Infantry on the spire. Pop them up.
Thanks for the ride.
Well done, Spartan.
Hey, what gives?
It seems I've crossed a circuit.
Well, let me have a look.
Oracle!
Little bastard stung me.
I did not want you to come to any harm.
Got a funny way of showing it.
Excellent. This way.
Awful runts. Kill them as they slip.
Chief, tap him out.
Oh no! I'm wanting the flying kills my friends!
Come and get it!
Your goal is just below.
We get company! That guy! Hey, trying to
This will reveal you.
We aren't chasing that thing, are we?
There's something.
That's one more for you. We've got him on the run!
The enemy!
I wonder.
This one!
Save that crap for the bad guy!
Awesome throw!
Not a scratch.
I ain't running after that thing.
Here, save some for me. This will help. Everyone, grenade! Those grenade must die.
We got
I
one right
lost
here!
it.
Get out! Get away!
He has never stopped coming. The cartographer. Come, it awaits your approval.
That's our galaxy. We're beyond the rim.
2 to the 18th, light years from Galactic Center, to be precise.
What is this place?
The Ark.
This is the Ark?
I had always assumed it was part of a SHIELD installation, but it seems I was mistaken.
That's a first.
Not at all. While I had a complete understanding of Installation 04, my makers wisely limited my knowledge of all other strategic facilities. Compartmentalization, in case I was ever captured by the Flood.
Can you tell me where we are exactly?
Here,
And truth?
near one of the Ark's supraluminal communication arrays, I'm afraid. Unfortunate, the meddler has triggered a barrier, a defensive perimeter around the Ark's core. The barrier will be difficult to disable. How odd that my makers would place such a comprehensive defense around a single... Oh my.
What is it?
Phantom!
Spark, move.
We must get past that barrier, or the meddler will destroy it all.
Chief, you got a whole mess of hostile air inbound. Get back inside while we take them out.
Follow the Oracle, Spark. I will help you, Sergeant, clear the sky.
There you are.
Sir, Pelican's gonna land 1 level down. Hostile.
Get out of there! Watch your words! Ow! This is not where the demon is over here!
Got one!
I must not make any conclusions.
Down there!
must not allow it to evade us. The pack will feast on you!
Hang tight, Chief. We're on our way.
Humanity, Reclaimer, no!
Hang tight, Chief. We're on our way.
You must win this fight on your own.
Man down! Fight him! Now! The prophet wants his head. Annoying. A curse on you, demon!
ETA damn quick. Stand by for pickup.
Commander.
Johnson, look sharp.
I got it.
No, don't shoot. They mean us no harm. Those units have a priority task.
Oh, yeah? And what might that be?
I really can't say. Not for sure. But if you allow me to find a terminal closer to the core.
We must keep the Prophet there and lay our sights.
But what about your construct? For solution to the flood? With more data,
Armor's right. We have priorities too. Until we kill Truth, stop the rings from firing, nothing else matters.